Hello, and welcome to the short video on CIID's recommended resources. This video will dive into new resources that may be of interest to SEAs working to integrate their IDEA data systems. If you are not familiar with the CIID website, we encourage you to first watch the 5-minute video accessing CIID's online resources to gain an understanding of how to navigate the site and where to find the resources we will view today. This video from the Center for the Integration of IDEA Data is designed to introduce users to 2 new resources developed by CIID and available on our website. We hope that after viewing this video, you review the resources presented and are able to share them with your colleagues working in this area. When you have finished viewing this video, we invite you to complete our feedback survey to provide feedback on the video you have watched and to let us know more about the types of resources that you use and are looking for. We will take a glance at the following resources. First, Data Integration FAQs for Directors of Special Education. Then, the use of Common Education Data Standards to support data integration. At the end of this video, we provide links to all resources shared today for you to access when the recording is finished or at a later date. From the CIID homepage, we'll navigate to the Publications and Resources page. Then to CIID background. This brings us to a handful of resources. Clicking on the link for Data Integration FAQs for Directors of Special Education will bring us to the Publication Details page. Here you'll find a short summary of the resource and can download the full resource to view. The Data Integration FAQs for Directors of Special Education was developed by CIID to help state directors and special education staff understand the benefits and challenges of integration and how it can help specifically with reporting and use of data in the Office of Special Education. For instance, having a single source for key data can reduce the potential for getting different answers to the same questions depending on which data source is used. This resource provides information about how data integration affects staff workload, data privacy, and includes first steps for collaboration with other offices within the SEA. This can be a resource for special education directors looking to integrate their data, as well as for staff looking for support from their state director. Returning to the Publications and Resources page, we will look at the Common Education Data Standards area to access this brief, the use of Common Education Data Standards to support data integration. After clicking the link, you will find a summary and a link to download this document. The use of Common Education Data Standards to support data integration document was created with the Common Education Data Standards, or CEDS, team. It provides an overview of why to use CEDS for data integration, how to access the CEDS tools online to create a data dictionary and to align and begin to integrate data sources, and examples of how CEDS is being used by states. CIID can support states with data integration, or states can connect directly with CEDS for support. Links to both resources reviewed can be found here. If you find a resource that is useful and you want to bookmark it for later, we encourage you to bookmark the Publication Details page as shown, as the hyperlink will not change and can be accessed even if the resource content is updated. Thank you for viewing this brief video on recommended resources on CIID's website. We encourage you to complete our short feedback survey, which will help CIID better understand what resources would be helpful to you. As you browse the CIID website, please feel free to contact CIID's technical assistance providers with any questions, comments, or concerns by emailing us at ciidta@aemcorp.com.